you have the Congress government who has made promises for the citizens of the state. They've come to power largely due to the 5 guarantees they've made, and one of which involves the free bus travel. But it appears the same Shakti scheme seems to be coming as trouble for the Karnataka government, especially for the public transport. Many of those who claim that the KSRTC has been going under immense financial losses ever since free bus ride was announced. So the KSRTC committee has come forward and asked the Karnataka government to hike prices of bus tickets, largely for the men, considering it's free for the women. Now, Congress MLA and chairman of the Northwestern Karnataka Road Transport Corporation, Raju Kage, as well, admitting the same. Also says very pointedly, Raju Kage claims that the Shakti scheme, which is a free bus ride given to women of Karnataka, has led to losses for the public transport system within the state. And he also did point out how hike in petrol and diesel prices, property tax, liquor, stamp duty, etc. The price rise in multiple sectors of Karnataka has led to a loss in certain departments, basically pointing out that guarantees could have sucked into some of the state's funds. Listen in.
Just hear me. We have 4 corporations, KSRTC, BMTC, Vayuya, and in Kalyana, Karnataka. So far, I have not received any proposal from 4 corporations. Let them send their proposal, then I will think.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ರೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ನಾವು ಡೀಸೆಲ್, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯಿಲು, ಟೈರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್ಸದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ದವು. ಆದಷ್ಟಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ದರನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡುವ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವೀಗ ಈಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಯುವ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾನಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾನಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
ಸರ್? ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 15% 20% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
All right, Anaga is still with us. Anaga, the Karnataka government claims that there's been no increase in bus fares yet. It's just a proposal made by the KSRTC and the other public transport bodies of Karnataka. But the losses are real. It runs into nearly 280 crores estimated losses as per the KSRTC and its sister concerns. Give us more on what they say.
Well, Nabila, it looks like the Congress MLAs have really shot themselves in the foot because 2 of the MLAs from the Congress who are in charge of transport department have come out on record stating that there are losses running up to 295 crores and we need to hike up the bus fares in order to sustain the department and keep it up and running. But the transport minister himself, Mr. Ramlinga Reddy, he conveniently said that he does not want to comment on the losses part, but he said that there is an increase in revenue before and after Shakti scheme. The increase year on year, if we look at what it was before Shakti scheme and after Shakti scheme, Minister Ramlinga Reddy claims that there is 1,100 crore increase in revenue. But when a question was put forth to him about the losses running up to 295 crores, he conveniently said that he does not want to comment on it at all. But so far, he has not yet received a proposal, be it from Raju Kage or from S.R. Srinivas, both of them who head the transport department in northwestern and southern parts of Karnataka. He said that he has not received any proposal so far, but once he receives, they will hold another round of board meeting to take a call on whether bus fare should be increased or not. But as of now, there's no discussion yet inside government whether